Hi, thank you for selecting our drone survey service. Now, what is a drone survey? Why do you need it? And when do you actually need it? A drone survey is where we go to your property and fly our unmanned aerial vehicle, that's UAV or drone, to get existing site information, right? Really, it's a preliminary site investigation. Now, there are few instances where it is advised that you utilize a drone survey, right? Now, in the instance where you're buying property and you are living overseas, so you are not able to actually visit the location, it is advised that you utilize a drone survey to gather information. So what will happen is we'll visit your site, fly our drone, and take pictures of the site looking down, so directly down, and in each direction, north, south, east, west, right? So we'll take pictures according to that, looking from the site, and then we'll also go away from the site to look back at the site. Additionally, we do videos of the site. So we will do a video that really gives you context of what the site will look like, what is beside the site, or if there are any major roads beside the site, or what are the types of trees. This is important because sometimes trees will cause microclimates to be on a particular site, and this is important for the architect in designing. It is also important when you're purchasing a property to have this information, because you can gather information that is very critical, such as what does the slope look like? What does the surrounding area look like as it relates to flooding conditions? So is the site in a position where natural drainage is being channeled onto the site? Or is your site on a hillside where you actually would need to build retaining walls in order to build your home? Or is there a road? Is there access to your site? This is important to know. So the drone survey will actually give you this information. We also utilize the drone survey during construction so that you being overseas does not put you at a disadvantage. What this does is give you information to know exactly what is happening on your construction site. So we normally conduct drone survey or site investigation during the construction to send that information to our clients overseas, and they will be able to see the construction taking place stage by stage. This gives them peace of mind and helps them to be rest assured that their building or their structure is actually being constructed and constructed according to design. So it is as if they're actually here in Jamaica. As it relates to the architect, he normally asks for this information, the preliminary information, so that he can make design decisions that will be for the betterment of the overall project. So maybe there is a negative view looking from the site, or there is a particular element that he wants to avoid when doing the design, so he will position the house in a particular way. You know, the drone survey will help with this situation, or in this instance, right? Thank you for selecting drone survey. Click the button below to continue this conversation with us.